Hi everyone, it's Mendokichi. If you're new here, I do cosplays and make my own costumes. For today's video, I'll be making a costume for our pet bunny, Brownie. He's been in a couple of my videos already, so I decided to turn him into a cosplayer. We'll be transforming him into Appa. This tutorial will be split in two parts. Part 1 is 3D printing the saddle, and part 2 would be crocheting the whole outfit. This is the 3D model that I made for his saddle. Link to this model is in the description box below. I used SketchUp to create this 3D. Then it's time to print it in our machine. You stay in the garage na lang.
No! Come back here.
Where's Brownie? He's hiding now, see?
Nope, camera.
The camera shy now? Hello. Where are you going?
Yeah, buddy. Run. Go to the
Don't
other
leave
side.
me.
Yes, please.
Just as it was about to finish printing, we ran out of filament. So now I'm left with this unfinished part. But it's okay since majority of the critical parts have been printed properly. And this can be easily fixed with a 3D pen. I made this loop part so I can insert a strap in. I was very careful when cleaning this up because I didn't want it to break. It's hard.
Why is it hard?
I don't know, the plastic here is kind of hard. You want to do it?
Yes.
Okay, because it's hard, you do it.
Hindi niya alam, inutuko siya. You remind me of Daddy.
Your dad? Because he's my brother. You need to remove this, what you call that? The support, yeah.
Wait, are you gonna put in the video my little mini?
Yes, my little working elves.
Technically, you're doing it for Brownie. I'm doing this for Brownie, and the first time was to teach you. So
Okay.
you have to hire us next time. Attention, Brownie loves attention.
He loves attention, Brownie. After cleaning it up, we did our first fitting with our model. needs to be side view, so yes. It's so cute. He's like, model. He's just trying to kiss you. You like it, Brownie? It feels weird? Is it heavy?
Is it heavy?
Yip yip.
Yep.
Then I'm using this 3D pen to fill up the spot that wasn't printed. I'm using silver filament because we don't have the white one. So I'm just eyeballing how much I need to fill up. I'm also using the tip of the pen to melt and smoothen the filament. This is what it looks like now. Then I need to smoothen the surface using a filer and sandpaper. Then it's time to paint. I mixed brown, white, and yellow together. The saddle has 3 shades of brown. I started painting using the darkest shade. I just added more white paint to make lighter versions of the brown. And here it is now. I let it dry for a few minutes. This is what it looks like all dried up. And that's it for this DIY. For the next video, I'll be crocheting the rest of his costume. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.